In some ways, purling is easier in color work, in my opinion. You're going to start with the contrast color, or CC, and then 2 blues. The reason that I say it's easier is because you can see the floats or the yarn which is carried across several stitches, and so you can ensure that it's not too tight. So again, you're going to purl 4 and then purl 1 blue. Purl 4 of the CC and then purl 1 blue all the way to the end. Now, as far as which yarn is crossed over the other, I feel that as long as you're consistent, you're going to have a nice looking fabric. So here I'm crossing the blue over the CC, and then the CC goes under. But earlier in the row, I didn't do it that way, and I don't think anyone will be the wiser. And as we always say in my family, if they're looking that close, they're looking too close. Tension is really the key aspect here. Not pulling these blue floats too tightly. Eventually you'll be good enough at it that you'll be able to do it by feel. You won't have to stop and look all the time at your work. But this is a nice, fairly straightforward color work pattern for your practice. Okay, and then we end with 2 blue and 1 CC. And here's what that first series looks like.